Hi everyone, today in this video training, let's install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. Well friends, open up your favorite browser and search for Visual Studio Code and you will see this website code.visualstudio.com. Okay, I'm going to click on this link and here we see the official website of Visual Studio Code. And here you can see a big button, download for Windows. You can see the same button on the menu, but I like to prefer this CTA button. Okay, just click on this button, download for Windows. And it will start downloading here on the top right corner. Okay, here you can see the exe file is downloaded. So just click over here to start the installation. Okay, I'm just going to hit run. I accept the agreement and then click next. You can create desktop icon. Okay, then click next. Finally hit this install button. Okay, it's installing. The installation process is complete. Now here you can see the checkbox on launch Visual Studio Code and click finish. And it will automatically just run the Visual Studio Code for the first time. Here you can see the version release note. I'm just going to click over here to close it. And here you can see the welcome screen. Okay, just click here to close it. And here you can see the Visual Studio Code for you. I'm just going to click over here to close it. Okay, and you can run from here. Okay, you can search from the start menu. Just click on the start and search here Visual Studio. Here it is. Just click on it and it will run again with the welcome screen. I'm just going to uncheck it so it won't show again. Just click over here. So friends, if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you for watching.